Yeah, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Make another video. We just got in a little package from SynthCarbon, and a bunch of goodies just came in. Gonna show you guys. All this is basically like easy installs, just to spice up the interior a bit with all these nice soft carbon parts, which they're all just overlays that go over the existing panel, and then just adds that nice tone of carbon fiber. So over here we have, for the door handles on top, we have this big piece that I believe goes on the side of the doors. Got these little ones that I honestly don't know where they go. This is all new to me. I'm pretty sure these go next to the A pillar by the driver and passenger doors, by the side, by the mirrors. We got this long piece. It's pretty cool. Goes right under the charging pad. We got these go with the door handles, I'm pretty sure. Got these skinny ones. These are gonna go by, I'm pretty sure, the air vents on the left and right side of the front. Got this little tiny one going on the emergency button. Got these are gonna go in the little storages by the door switches. Got this big one that I believe this is for the cluster and behind the steering wheel. Comes with 3 pieces, the main big and then the 2 for the side. Got this, the cigarette port and the charging ports. Gonna try that out. And then we got this for the ceiling light. So yeah, we're gonna go through it. I'm gonna probably show like 1 or 2 how to really get them on well, and then just a overview of how they look at the end, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Let me know which ones out of all these you guys like the best, which ones you might get. Just remember, all these are from SynthCarbon. I'm gonna leave a link down below, and then feel free to use my discount code. I'm gonna leave it right here. Discount code Drew, all caps with a 3. Alright, give y'all a better understanding of what goes where. We're gonna have 2 pieces that cover this little panel. We're gonna have a piece that covers emergency. I try to clean my best. I had a bunch of coins in here, but it's not gonna matter now. There's gonna be 2 pieces here. The big tray that goes here, and then a piece that's gonna go here. Then to the door, we're gonna have a fat piece that goes right here. There's gonna be 2 little ones, I'm pretty sure it's only 2, that go on this little corner. I got one that covers the inside of the door jamb. There's gonna be one down here, so it's gonna look cool to pair up with the door switch one. I believe that's all for the door. If I'm mistaken, you guys were gonna see it in the edit I will do later of showing mostly everything around. Also, make sure you guys get a rag. Even though this is a little dirty, it still has a bit of clean spots, almost. So yeah, I have some there, one in there. I'm pretty sure these big ones are just 2, driver and or passenger and driver, and then everything else should be all around. We're gonna have we're gonna have, for pretty sure, each of the door handles, and to top it off, the ceiling light is gonna get a little carbon overlay. So let's get to it. Gonna put everything on. Alright, y'all, bunch of trash later, but we're almost done. But for the most part, I can show you guys what everything looks like. We got little cover for the emergency. I kind of like it. It's a little cute we have the carbon tray, which is probably my favorite thing. Probably my favorite thing. We have this too, however, it doesn't fully fit my car, which I'm gonna assume is gonna be for all of the 22 to 24 sports. I'm not sure how the 25 to 26 looks, but this is gonna be meant for any of the Civics, and I think Integras have the same interior. Any of us that have dual ports. So I'm pretty sure some Civics come with either 2 USBs or a USB and a USB-C, and then like I think this is a little smaller, and that would fit perfectly for those trims. I still put it on because, you know, why not? It's carbon. Then we have little piece in here. I like it. I didn't tape it yet, but that's how it's going to look. I like how it matches up with that. We have the little piece that goes right by the door jamb. I like that. I'm a big fan of that. We have this little piece that goes right over here. Nothing too special, just adds nice of a look. We have this big piece that covers this little portion of the door. I like it. Maybe in the future, if an overlay for a full door happens, that'll be sick if that ever happens. But yeah, that's all for the door. Then up here we have the carbon door handle. Let's see if you guys can see it. There you go. Little cover for the what are these even called? For this handle up here. I like it. Looks nice. You can see it over here too. If you can see it, hopefully it's not too dark. Looks nice. You know, you can see the other door, how it looks from the driver's seat. Big panel. The little ones look sick. This I like. The cluster panel. There's one long piece that goes throughout the middle, and then the 2 side pieces cover up the sides. I like that. I like that look. Then I forgot about this one. Got the carbon for the ceiling light. I like it. Feel like it looks good with the stars. But yeah, guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Just showcasing really how all the new series of soft carbon for SynthCarbon looks on our Civics. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one of these panels you guys plan on getting. And I'm gonna drop a link down below. Feel free to use my code Drew, all caps with a 3. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Peace out.